Hi guys! So, it's been a little while. We haven't really gone many places this year since everything else has been going on. But we are at the Encore in Boston today. We're in what, standard room? Suite?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know the exact name
I
type.
think it's I don't remember the exact name type. It's some kind of suite though. So, entranceway, foyer, not really too much going on, but we have a really nice entrance mirror here. It's huge. And then...
It's huge.
Okay. And then here is the bathroom, a nice walk-in shower. It's very pretty. A deep soaking tub, very nice. I like that a lot. It's really pretty. Double sinks, a nice little vanity section for me. Oh, I guess that's all for you. Yeah. Okay. All that stuff that you need too. Nice. I like it.
Take off at home.
Yeah.
The
There's a
scale.
scale too.
Yeah.
That's nice. Where the toilet is pretty small. Oh, the light switch is like a touch one. Well, it's not working, but it's a touch one though. We'll just ignore that for now. How'd you do it? Okay. There's also a TV in here too. I don't want to break it. So there's a little TV in here too, which is really nice. The remote's over there. Really big mirror, I like that too. Okay. Oh, 2 robes, and these are nicer robes.
Like silk or satin or something?
Yeah, they're a lot softer. These are nicer robes. Encore Boston Harbor. Okay, now James is gonna take over the rest of the video. You showed them before.
Alright, taking over the closet area. Bellamy brought our stuff in, organized it very nice for us. Safe here, nice little umbrella, iron.
Comforter.
There's a comforter.
Yeah.
Nice sized closet. But here's the room itself. I think the room is called Premium something, the name of the room. But anyway, over here is little iPads. I don't really know what it's for.
Oh, he said it does everything.
Oh.
Everything you need.
Mr. De Niro.
From the TV to the valet to
Oh, pretty cool.
all that.
Some drawer space here with the Bible. Amen. Phone, notepad, lights, couch, desk, etc. Phone. Really nice room with furniture. Beautiful.
It's very pretty.
Beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows.
I know. Look at that.
Overlooking out towards Everett, whatever the name of this little town is. It's the town right outside of Boston. I wish we could see the Boston view.
But this is pretty too, though. Look,
Yeah.
and it's so it's nice and
Boston's
clean
like
today too.
that way. So if the windows were facing that way, I think that's Boston. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, the other direction. But this is a pretty town.
Yeah, it's still really pretty.
So yeah, it's definitely a pretty room, definitely a pretty area. Over here you have
Wine
a swivel
glasses.
TV, nice size TV that swivels. An espresso maker instead of a coffee maker. It's pretty cool.
I like that a lot better anyway, so that's
Some
good.
little treats for the rooms.
$6 per thing.
It is $6.
I don't know. It's probably more, right?
More than that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So the least expensive thing on here is $10, right?
These are drinks. The least expensive snack is $9.
$9. That was close enough.
So if I want like cookies, this thing is $9 for 10 cookies. It might be like delicious cookies.
Okay, obviously they're not. So just put
It
them
might be.
down.
I might try them.
Wait,
Some drawer
can you fix
space.
it?
Fix what?
You messed it up.
Put it back where it was. Fiji water, especially like I said, over here you got some drawer space, little mini fridge in here, which I'm guessing is loaded with alcohol.
Probably. Can you open it? No room for anything. Great. Well, all right. Can you close it? The fridge?
Over here you have an Alexa. I don't know why.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
She woke up.
Yeah, she woke up. Little thing here. I don't know if this is a coaster or something.
I think there's supposed to be something in there.
We haven't slept on it yet, so I'm not sure how that feels, but hopefully it's nice and soft.
I'm sure it is.
And then some more mirrors for nice photo. I don't really get the photo themes.
I don't like the
It's very
photo.
nice,
It doesn't
feel.
fit. No.
Encore is a premium brand.
It's luxury.
Of Wynn
It's
Hotel, so it's kind of odd, those pictures. But
yeah.
regardless, it's a beautiful property, beautiful hotel, beautiful room. The service is really good so far. Hotel service, food and beverage, not a little iffy, but
And security.
hotel front desk, bell staff, very good so far. So.
Whoa! Look at that line coming into right now.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
My goodness, we were stuck in that too. That was insane.
Just look at the cars that are coming into this place. This is on a Sunday. In the
Jeez.
hotel industry, most hotels in the sun, people are leaving, not coming in.
It's so like something's wrong with all the cars.
Both ways going in.
Yeah, and look at the
north and
line.
south. It's just
Okay.
backed up because of the property. It's crazy.
I don't know. It's jammed in here, but
Yeah.
all right.
So anyway, this room I got on Expedia. The rates I looked on different days. It goes anywhere from I'd say 160, 170, all the way up to 400 something, 500 something, depending on the day of the week. So if you can find a good deal, take it. If not, it's an expensive place. You are paying for luxury when an Encore luxury property.
Yeah, if you want to go for like an anniversary or
Yeah.
Valentine's Day or something,
This
birthday.
is my first time to Boston, so.
Yeah, he's a newbie.
Got a little bit of a nicer place for that reason. But
Yeah.
anyway, thanks guys.
Thank you.